All right, so we picked up the water container here. So we're basically gonna put it on top of the Subaru up here. Something like that, and it has a good height because you'll still see the question mark block right up there. Obviously we got to paint it yellow and put the question mark block on, but first thing is to remove the sticker. Look at that, it's easy. Barely even on there. Paint it yellow. We'll be good to go for question mark block water jug accessory for the Subaru. Let's get it started.
Oh, you can!
11 minutes later. Minutes later.
I don't know if the sizing is right. We'll see. Yeah, I think so. So I could do a vinyl sticker on it, or I figured the stencil made it more like Mad Maxy, like, you know, off-road, grunge looking or whatever, instead of making it real nice. I thought that'd be a better fit for it. So we did the little question mark stencil here. So it might not show up as well on this side, but definitely on these sides here will stand out a little bit more. And then we just got to clear coat it and then strap it on the car. I guess we'll have to let those dry because then I can't lay it down. All right, let's check on it. It's been a full day for it to cure. All right, there's the water container with the question mark on there. Pretty cool. we're gonna go put it on the Subaru, see how it looks. All right, here it is up on the roof rack. It looks pretty good from the front up here, but my only issue is you can't see the dot on the side. So I might have to move the question marks up, at least on that side, because then it's like, oh, I can't see the question mark block. You can see it from here, obviously, if there's no obstruction. I guess the main thing would be from the front right here. So it is a little bit hard to see that there. I was thinking I picked these up right here. Some of these big markers, Top Notch is the brand. That's a thick one, and I got a smaller one, but I was thinking of, you know, outlining the question mark so it pops a little bit more, and you can always, you know, if I want to trace it out, something like that, make it look more 8-bit or whatever. Okay, so I was stressing out over nothing because I realized we have to strap it to the roof rack, and that's going to cover the side question marks right here anyways, because the strap's going to go through that. You won't be able to see them, so you're only going to see the front 2 question mark blocks. So they could be there, they're just going to be hidden, or I could just paint over them so it's solid yellow. But you know, the question mark blocks have it on all sides if you get like a toy in the store, so I guess it fits like this. So let's add the black line so it pops out. We'll put some water in this and see how it looks. We still have to clear coat it though, so we got to get that done, but the clear coat has to dry for a few days, so we're in the testing phase right now. Let's go. Come on. Alright, so that's the thicker one, and then that's the thinner outline. Most of these you won't see really because it's going to have the strap there, so it depends on these ones here. Almost like in the thicker one's nice and bold, so you'll be able to see that better. It's hard to get clean lines on this side because of the print that's inlaid, but this is nice and flat on each side, so we'll see. We'll try to go with this one here. Alright, it's been about 24 hours for the clear coat to dry, so we're going to check on the jug. There it is. Looks sweet. Alright, let's fill it up with some water and put it on top of the car, see how it looks. Heavy. Okay, I took the Subaru for a spin and it's super secure up there. I ended up wrapping the ratchet strap 3 times around and then cranking it down. I am kind of on the fence. It is blocked right here on the front, so you can't see the question mark block. So I have a couple options. I can either put the strap the other way. I could paint on the strap itself, like the white and black so it kind of then blends, or I did buy some wood and I can make it out of wood so it kind of attaches over the straps. The only issue with putting the straps the other way is how the bars are. See, the bars are going this way. So if I put the ratchet strap this way, I almost need to make a base because there's nowhere for these to attach to other than the end piece there. So it almost would have to sit on something. It does look nice on the side over here because then you can see the DK and it's nice and clear there. So okay, so I ended up painting the strap on the front so it blends a little bit better when you're looking at it from the front there, but I think it looks pretty awesome sitting up there on the roof rack with the Donkey Kong barrel. So there's how the Subaru sits right now. It's looking pretty awesome. If you guys missed the full build video, you could check that video out where I put all the mods on to the Subaru. We got the front lip kit, the roof rack, the window guards, and a whole bunch more. Guys, I am super excited how this little roof rack accessory turned out. Let me know if you guys enjoy it and what else I should add to it. The wife was saying maybe a question mark block over here or something like that. So yeah, we're thinking maybe something over here, maybe like a one up or something like that, or maybe something flatter because it will block a little bit of that. But we got the DK barrel and the question mark water jug sitting there. Looks good from the back end, and then I have the "It's on like Donkey Kong" decal there. And also I ended up getting a vanity plate as well, guys. We got "Let's-a Go" to fit with the Mario theme. And an up-and-coming video, we put this rear diffuser bumper on here as a quick install, so be sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that video coming real soon. Okay, that's going to be it for this video, guys. Be sure you're subscribed so you don't miss anything, and I'll see you on the next one.